Are you tired of being stressed about your finances? Do you dream of a life where money is not a constant worry? Well, you're in luck because I have some game-changing tips that will help you master your finances in 2024. Today, we will be your guide to the world of financial freedom. In this video, we will reveal the secrets that will make your financial worries a thing of the past. So sit tight and get ready to learn the magic formula to unlock your financial potential. Let's dive in. 10. Save like a squirrel. To achieve financial stability, save money like squirrels hoard nuts. Set aside cash for unexpected expenses or emergencies, or to save for a vacation. Having a savings account allows you to earn interest on the money you save, which can help you grow your wealth over time. Additionally, it can provide a cushion for when you encounter financial difficulties, such as job loss, medical bills, or car repairs. Without a savings account, you may be forced to rely on credit cards, loans, or other forms of debt to get by, which can lead to even more financial stress and debt. So start saving today. Even if you can only save a small amount each month, it's better than nothing. Over time, your savings will grow and you'll feel more financially secure. Remember, every little bit counts. 9. Budgeting. It's understandable if the term budget doesn't excite you, but in reality, it can be a valuable tool in managing your finances. By setting up a budget, you can gain a clear understanding of how your money is being spent and avoid any confusion or frustration that might arise when you're left wondering where all your funds went by the end of the month. With a budget, you can take control of your finances, make informed decisions, and ensure that your hard-earned money is being put to good use. 8. Credit score magic. A good credit score is important for big financial moves like buying a home or starting a business. Lenders use it to evaluate your credit worthiness. Paying bills on time is crucial to maintain a healthy score. Late payments can damage your score, so use automatic payments or reminders to avoid missing due dates. Additionally, it's a good idea to regularly check your credit report for errors or fraudulent activity. You're entitled to one free credit report from each of the 3 major credit bureaus every year. So take advantage of this opportunity to keep tabs on your credit score and make sure everything is accurate. By taking these steps to maintain a good credit score, you'll be setting yourself up for success and opening up a world of financial opportunities. 7. Crush debt like a superhero. Debt can often feel like the arch nemesis of financial freedom, looming over you and preventing you from achieving your goals. It's a common problem that many people face, whether it's student loans, credit card debt, or even that IOU from a friend. However, it's important to remember that you have the power to take control of your debt and improve your financial situation. By creating a plan and taking action, you can tackle your debt head-on and start to see a real difference in your stress levels. This might involve making a budget, prioritizing your debts, negotiating with creditors, or even seeking professional help. Whatever approach you choose, the key is to stay committed and focus on your long-term goals. With persistence and dedication, you can wear your superhero cape proudly as you crush your debt and achieve the financial freedom you deserve. 6. Side hustle. In 2024, the gig economy has revolutionized the way people work, enabling individuals to turn their skills and passions into profitable sources of income. Anyone can earn extra cash by freelancing, dog walking, selling homemade soap, or any other side hustle. The gig economy provides a broad range of options that can suit your needs, allowing you to work from home, create your own schedule, and be your own boss. From writing and designing to tutoring and pet sitting, there are countless opportunities to showcase your talents and earn money doing what you love. With the right attitude and a little bit of effort, you can turn your side hustle into a successful career, or simply enjoy the extra cash in your wallet. So embrace the side hustle culture and unlock the potential of the gig economy. 5. Invest. Investing is accessible to anyone looking to grow wealth. Starting small is a great way to learn. Educate yourself on different investment options, risks, and rewards online. Investing requires patience and discipline. It's a long-term strategy, not a get-rich-quick scheme. Invest regularly, let your money grow, and achieve financial goals. Think of investing like planting seeds in a money garden. Take the first step and start investing today. 4. Emergency fund dance. Imagine a scenario where you suddenly face unforeseen financial challenges that demand your immediate attention. At this critical juncture, You don't have to panic or stress out because you have a contingency plan in place. An emergency fund. It's a pot of money you've set aside for rainy days, providing you with the financial cushion to tackle unexpected expenses without disrupting your budget or dipping into your savings. An emergency fund acts as a safety net and empowers you to navigate life's financial curveballs with greater confidence and peace of mind. It's a crucial tool that helps you stay on track and in control of your finances. 3. Insure for sure. Securing insurance coverage may not be the most thrilling topic, but it is an essential step towards a financially stable future. The peace of mind that comes with protecting your health, possessions, and loved ones is invaluable. Think of it as a financial shield that will help you navigate through life's unexpected curveballs with confidence. Whether it's health insurance, homeowners insurance, auto insurance, or life insurance, having proper coverage tailored to your unique needs can make all the difference in the world when the unexpected happens. 2. Stay educated, not intoxicated. Having a sound understanding of personal finance is essential for achieving financial security and unlocking a world of possibilities. By keeping yourself informed about current personal finance trends, you can make well-informed decisions about investments, savings, and budgeting. It's crucial to educate yourself about various investment options, including stocks, bonds, real estate, and mutual funds, to make informed investment decisions that align with your financial goals. Ignorance can be your financial kryptonite, so always prioritize learning and understanding personal finance concepts to make the most of your money and achieve financial stability. 1. Celebrate your wins. Don't forget to celebrate your financial victories, no matter how small they may seem. Whether it's paying off a credit card or reaching a savings goal, take a moment to acknowledge and appreciate your progress. Remember, financial success is a journey, so make sure to enjoy the scenery along the way. It doesn't matter if you're just starting out or looking to improve your financial game, these tips will help you achieve financial triumph this year. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel for more money wisdom, and I can't wait to catch up with you in my next video. So let's get going and keep those wallets happy.